Justin, it's raining. Whoa, where's your umbrella? Didn't you have umbrella?
Yeah, Brinley, stay here with Lola. I'm gonna go start the car and get your umbrella.
It's raining hard, Brinley.
Mommy.
Yeah. She's not
just
going
to
out.
start the car.
What happened, Mommy?
She's going to start the car, Brinley.
Car and our car the same. I thought sometimes I get confused.
Yeah, sometimes I walk to her car in the morning until I hit the unlock button. I see the light. I do it all the time.
You unlock it and then you unlock on the other side.
Yeah, I'll get to the car, I'll hit the unlock button, and then I'll see lights to the behind me.
There you go. I have another umbrella. You hold this. You use this when you go take a nap. Oh, you got your Elsa umbrella. No, she has the Elsa umbrella. She's excited about it. So cute. You're gonna get my face.
You got Twinkle.
Okay, here.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Can you hold it?
Bye-bye. Be good.
Over your head, Brinley.
Over your head so you don't get hit with water.
She's holding it in front of her.
Oh, turn around here and wave bye-bye to Lola. Okay, bye-bye.
Turn around and say bye-bye.
Wait, it's not even going. Bye-bye, sweetie.
Do you need help? Yeah?
Justin, what?
He has a shirt hanging out of his car.
I have what?
Shirt.
A shirt?